आलू पोस्तो नहीं
बस
खाए.
समझाएंगे.
I want to have आलू पोस्तो and some nice fish. घर से बेघर नहीं है, आज जनता के पास है, तो वो हमें नया घर. हाँ.
असली घर है हम.
So Baby Do Die Do की बात करें तो you are the silent killer. इतना हम ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं जो देखे नहीं है.
Very challenging. One of the most challenging roles I've had to do in my life.
কলকাতায় হুমা কুরেশি এবং এবার একা নয় ভাই সাকিবকেও নিয়ে এসেছেন. সো ওয়েলকাম টু কলকাতা এন্ড ওয়েলকাম টু অফ কোর্স নিউজ 18. হাউ এনজয়িং কলকাতা भाई को लेके आए हैं.
खूब भालो. हाँ.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है भाई.
हाँ.
अभी फाइनली जाके अपने पहली बार यहाँ खाना खाया है, तो खाना भी सेटल इन हो गया है.
हाँ.
अभी सुबह थिएटर गए थे जहाँ हमारी फिल्म लगी है. A lot of people were there, about 70% full. So Kolkata is treating us well.
कोलकाता मतलब मूवी मस्ती उसके साथ खाना भी.
बिल्कुल.
सो भाई तो ऑलरेडी सेटिस्फाइड.
जी.
हाउ सेटिस्फाइड यू आर.
No, I'm not satisfied. I'm happy. Satisfaction होगी अब throughout the day.
Yeah.
यार.
अच्छा.
इतना जल्दी satisfied नहीं होता हूँ मैं.
I think Kolkata is known as a city of joy because you know whoever comes here just feels very joyful, and I think like Saqib said, we've had great food, we've had fun conversations, we've seen a morning show. Now we'll go for some evening shows. We're just doing surprise visits across the across the theaters in the city, and it's just so nice to see regular people reactions to a film that you made with so much love and passion. And I've never had a morning show 70% full in my life, and I only feel like it's like a city like Kolkata that loves cinema so much that they would come and support a film like ours.
So both of you wearing the black is the tuning.
नहीं सर, बाकी कपड़े हम एक्चुअली वी बीन ऑन द रोड सर.
Yeah.
बाकी कपड़ों का लॉन्ड्री के लिए टाइम नहीं मिला है.
That's true actually.
हम तो सोचे
only
ट्यूनिंग
have
करके पहने हैं दोनों.
नहीं, हम लोग पिछले एक हफ्ते से आप अगर हमारा इंस्टाग्राम देखेंगे तो हम हर रोज एक अलग शहर में हैं.
Yes.
लिटरली हम लोग ने श्रीनगर किया, नहीं पहले हमने अहमदाबाद किया, फिर हमने श्रीनगर किया, फिर हमने देहरादून किया, चंडीगढ़ किया,
आज कलकत्ता आए हैं.
और ये हमने किया है. बाकी कुछ लोगों को हमने जयपुर भेज दिया, कुछ लोगों को बनारस
मतलब
भेज
बहुत
दिया.
दिन घर से बेघर हैं आप.
घर से बेघर नहीं है, आज जनता के पास है, तो वो हमें नया घर. हाँ.
असली घर है हम. To
Correct.
keep the audiences, because I feel like we make movies for people and we should actually get into those people's halls and theaters and try and understand what
Yeah.
they think of our film. That's really important for us.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
नॉर्मली एक्टर लोग क्या करते हैं, पिक्चर प्रमोट करते हैं, फिर रिलीज पे घर बैठ जाते हैं.
या
उनको-
छुट्टी-उट्टी ले लेते हैं.
हाँ, तो हमको
आपने
बोला
डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजी लिया. पोस्ट प्रमोशन विल बी द
I
इंपॉर्टेंट
feel
टू
it's
यू.
important कि आपने फिल्म बनाई है तो you genuinely are relying on actual people telling you and giving you real life feedback, and I think that information is not something you can get from sitting at home.
ओके. सो बेबी डू डाई डू की बात करें तो यू आर द साइलेंट किलर. इतना हम ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं जो देखे नहीं है. So how difficult for you or how challenging, Huma?
Very challenging. One of the most challenging roles I've had to do in my life.
Deaf and
and I
dumb.
think, yes, absolutely, deaf and mute. And I think she's just somebody who uses her disability not as by being a victim or being a bechari, but actually uses this to become actually a more lethal weapon, a more lethal killer. And I feel that is amazing. I feel like she's a character. She's unapologetic. She's badass. She's cool. And it's been the most fun character to play, I think, ever. And the kind of love and reactions I'm getting also are so beautiful. I'm known for my dialogue delivery. I anyway talk so much in life. So here's a character where I had to just express through my eyes, my body language, sign language, all of those things.
Which sign language अभी भी याद है आपको? मतलब which sign
A
language?
little bit I can whatever.
एक दिखाएंगे?
Okay, like
भाई तो देख के खुद ही म्यूट हो गए.
मैं कहाँ बोल पाता हूँ इनके सामने.
अच्छा.
नहीं ये प्रोड्यूसर हैं, ये इशारों में बात करते हैं. हाँ, इनके ही चलती है. हाँ.
ये बाकी सब समझ लेंगे बाद में.
हाँ, बाद में बताता हूँ.
Huma, very important question. We have seen you in Maharani also. So इतना अच्छा रोल आपने प्ले किया. So did you ever think come to the and join politics? ऐसा ऑफर तो बहुत पेश आया.
No, I don't want to join politics. I want to be an actor, and I want to be an actor that changes people's lives and brings them joy by playing real portrayals of, amazing women. And I think that is my way of doing social service. And I think by doing this, I'll be making a bigger difference to society than by being a bad or a corrupt politician.
Offers तो बहुत आए होंगे.
Okay, bye.
And one of most important question also, in West Bengal you come to the Kolkata, here also government has been changed. Do you find any different or something?
I've barely been here for a few hours. Very difficult to comment between a.
खाना खाते हो तो realize नहीं हुआ
I think it's very yeah. It's not enough time to I think comment on that.
अच्छा लास्टली जो पूछना चाहेंगे, इतना अच्छा मूवी बनाए, दर्शकों का रिस्पांस भी मिल रहा है, आगे के कुछ डिफरेंट, क्योंकि इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट जॉनर ऑफ मूवी, ऐसे कुछ अलग बनाना चाहेंगे दोनों?
हमेशा. That's what Salim Siblings stands for. Unique storytelling. We want to find our stories that we enjoy. Because क्या होता है ना, हम we are of course we are making the film for the audiences, but audiences इतनी diverse और इतनी सारी हैं, हम हर एक बंदे के लिए पिक्चर नहीं बना सकते. But when you make it for yourself and you feel like you're telling a story that you really want to tell, that really resonates with people, and that's what's happening with Baby Dude I Do also. That we stuck to our guns and said we'll make this original film which will have 11 songs, which will have a different edit style, which will have these cuts in the middle of the film, and we took that call, and that's being appreciated. So now, yes, Salim Siblings stands for unique storytelling.
Is different is very important, Huma. So Maharani, Baby, what next?
Lots is next, but I think right
Toxic?
now Toxic is next. I think, but I think right now the focus has to be on Baby, and I keep we are traveling across the country, and I ask all my fans, if you love my performance in a Maharani, I would love for you to give the
Yes,
same amount of love for
awesome.
a Baby in theaters, because I do believe that these kind of portrayals of women are needed in a cinema. And it has to be experienced on the big screen, and that's why we're traveling across the country to tell people that this is a film you cannot miss in the theaters.
मैं समझ गया, बेबी को आप सारा देश घूम के बड़ा कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
बेबी इज
और ये बेबी को थिएटर में देखना पड़ेगा, ये बताने के लिए.
और लास्टली आलू पोस्त तो खाए हैं आप?
आलू पोस्तो नहीं
बस अब
खाए.
जाएंगे अब डिनर में भाई.
I would have aloo posto and some nice fish.
एंड हम चाहेंगे बार बार आप कोलकाता आए और हमसे ऐसे रूबरू हो. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू
Thank you
सो
so
मच.
much. Thank you so much.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ. কথা বলছিল হুমা এবং সাকিবের সঙ্গে নিউজ 18.